This is a demonstration of moving the alignment points on a insole when it's being aligned. So we'll first load a script using VPS scan file. We then display the right foot. This has not yet been aligned. So we open that, we'll zoom in, we place the 3 points, heel, first MPJ, fifth MPJ. If we wish to move these points, we can up until the point that the scan mesh gets aligned. Up to that point we can move heel, pick another point using the left mouse click, and then we can move it back, and you use the appropriate button to move each of the points, and then we can align the Verus and apply, and it's been aligned relative to those points. You can't move those reference points after the foot's been aligned, as it ceases to have logical effect.